In this video, we'll show you how to change the front exterior door handle on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it with the tool. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 7mm socket, remove the bolt holding the door panel on the door opening side. Using the car trim removal tool, pry out the power window mirror switch plastic trim. You can use a flathead screwdriver. Remove the power connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Then, using the same tool, remove the plastic cover from the door handle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, unscrew the two retaining bolts. Remove the bolts using a magnetic extender. Using a hook, lift the plastic cover located under the door handle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, unscrew the two retaining bolts. Next, using the same tool, unscrew the two lower door panel retaining bolts. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. You can use a car trim removal tool. Hold the panel so as not to pull on the various cables. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab. You can now unclip the door opening mechanism cable. Then, remove the panel. Then, peel off the plastic insulation. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the two exterior door handle retaining nuts. To access the second nut, unclip the cable from its plastic guide. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a car trim removal tool, remove the cover located in the door opening. Next, using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the last handle retaining bolt. To remove the handle, pull it out and push it towards the front of the vehicle. Disconnect the handle rod. You can use a screwdriver to help you. You can now unclip the door opening mechanism cable. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the door lock cylinder. It is released by pushing on the plastic tabs that hold each end in their slots, then rotate it. You can order the front exterior door handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the door handle, put the door lock cylinder back in place. Lock it by rotating it. Put the door opening mechanism cable back in place. Put the rods back in place. Next, put the handle back in place, rear end first. Then, retighten the retaining bolt. Put the shutter cover back on. Then, screw the two mounting nuts back on. Clip the cable back onto its plastic guide. Put the insulating foam back in place. Bring the inner door panel closer and put the cable back in place. reconnect the central locking connector. You can now put the door panel back in place, inserting it into the top track first. Press the entire door panel against the door to lock all the clips. Then, screw the lower door panel retaining bolts back on. Screw the 2 holding bolts located under the door handle back in. Replace the cover. Screw the 2 handle retaining bolts back on. Put the door handle trim back on. Reconnect the power window mirror switch connector. Put the controls back on, inserting the front part first. Screw the retaining bolt on the door opening side back on. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.